working on 2009 Nissan Murano. Customer purchase on Android radio. I'm gonna install that. The first thing we're gonna do is remove this bottom plate. Simply disconnect that. Should be screws on the bottom side of it. One on each side. Once you have them out, the silver trims pop out on both sides. Simply do that. Have to disconnect, but if you want to disconnect, you just simply push the tab, release the plug. Leave it there, you don't have to disconnect.
You sure?
Yeah. Never been wrong in my life.
Sometimes.
No, never. Never once. Just gonna remove all screws on both sides. There should be 8 of them, I believe. 4 on each side. There should be 2 screws. And another 2 screws on the top that's holding on to the face plate of it. Then it should be silver screws holding on to the display part of it as well. You gotta disconnect that. Overlapping.
That's hard.
This piece is very tight. In order to take this side out, you have to release this top trim off first. This is a release lever for the steering wheel. For some reason, this one doesn't come down. There's something wrong with this. Once you have this steering wheel downward, it should be easier to take this bezel around the cluster out. But since it doesn't move, we actually just grab this corner here, lift it up a little bit, and we were able to get this bezel out. Now, once you have that out, that should slide out. We don't need it because the new one is built into the screen, and that comes with this plastic bezel as well. So we're gonna have to take the radio out because the main plug plugs into back of the radio. Should be one more here. No, here. This one. Isn't on this one?
Screws here. Yeah.
No, I guess this is not it.
This comes out.
The bottom one?
Yes. The screws is here.
On the bottom side of the radio. get a towel. You know what? Use this bubble pack.
Oh, okay.
We're gonna protect the shifter. So we're gonna use the bubble pack that comes with. That is tight.
Something's holding.
We gotta disconnect two plugs.
Let me see which
Main harness and the video for the this is the main harness.
backup now.
It doesn't have backup pin. It
doesn't.
comes with.
We gotta do backup.
Does you want to do a backup cam too? Okay, so we're gonna do a backup cam as well. This radio doesn't obviously don't have a screen. So disconnect the main harness. Just plug it in. The harness. Plug that in, and the other end plugs back into the radio. Really basically an information center. Whatever the function you have it here, since it doesn't have a display, it shows on the top. The new Android radio will do Carplay Android Auto along with car information as well. So we may not need this because that doesn't have backup cam built in.
No, but this is the canvas.
There's a CAN bus, so we're going to disconnect another one.
Yeah, but it won't pop.
It doesn't have another one?
No.
Huh. So what do we do now? This should need a CAN bus. This is a Nissan. Yeah, but what do we need a CAN bus for?
We need the canvas.
For
This
what?
is just a power line.
That's all we need.
But this make a noise. The speakers work.
No, this Nissan never had that CAN. Nissan is just a trigger wire.
Sure.
100%. Never been wrong in my life.
Okay.
So we're gonna temporarily just turn the radio on and see if it works. Alright, so everything works.